Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money training AI using Outlier AI. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you're just gonna have to you just have to open up your desired internet browser of your choice, and you can just go to outlier.ai, or you can just go to google.com and search for Outlier AI here, and then just click on the first link. And here, basically, you are just gonna be training AI to earn money. So if I just go to FAQs, or if I just click on View Opportunities, you can see you can register for Alloy AI. Unfortunately, it's not available in my region, but you should try for it by clicking on View Opportunities. Anyway, so basically, Alloy AI gives you an opportunity to build the world's most advanced generative AI. You will be able to work on variety of projects from generating training data in your discipline to advance these models to evaluating performance of models. So you can see uh, so you will be paid out weekly via your preferred option between PayPal and ATM. So the selection process is they will evaluate your resume and identify if you meet the minimum qualifications for a domain and associated pay rate. These qualifications are listed in any given job description. So if you just go to view opportunities, they will give their requirements, and if you meet the minimum requirements, you are eligible for the job. So are there any opportunities to earn more? So some domains may offer rewards for completing onboarding programs or higher rates for superior performance. So yeah, guys, you can just create an account and then just go to view opportunities and apply for jobs here. Basically, you can just training models to earn money. So yeah, guys, that's about it. This is how you make money training AI using Outlier AI. So yeah, guys, you can also join these communities to get updated on the onboarding programs. So yeah, guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.